Morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are starting it off with Dixie on a weekly time frame. I'm sorry about my nasal congestion. I'm a little sick in 90-degree weather, go figure, but it happens. As you can see, Dixie is coming into the support. I'm looking for it not to break under this 102 level, previous support. If we come and close underneath it, I'll be looking for 101 at the lowest. But I mean, we're looking for a test of support and reversal. 102 at the lowest would be good enough for me as we're coming down into these lows on this weekly close, which is left with 2 days and 12 hours, I'm looking for Bitcoin and E to creep up and then eventually put in a local top for reversal as Dixie pivots in this 102 and reverses. If Dixie actually does break down the 101 into the 90s, we can look for continuation upside on Bitcoin, ETH, etc. But only time will tell for that right now. I'm not trying to front run the market. Keep in mind that Dixie is being in the volatile mode due to bonds being sold in Japan as well as US figuring out if we're going to keep interest rates the same in December or if we are going to have the possibility of cutting rates in March to June next year. So due to those discrepancies, Dixie is being basically priced in for what people are expecting moving forward. So until that happens, we don't want to front run the market. We'll just wait for price to come in. Let me go now to Bitcoin. On Bitcoin, as you guys remember, we were looking for a test of support at 32.5 if we were going to get it. I was always looking for this bull flag consolidation to play out on a weekly time frame. You are in the bullish control zone on weekly, so I would not even try to short until you actually have a break back down into the out of the bullish control zone. All the people who are trying to short prematurely are probably going to feel the pain today. And yeah, I don't want to ruin the fun, but if you look left, as soon as we get past this little bit of resistance over here at 38, the only next natural path is 48. That's a $10,000 pop, and anyone who's traded crypto for the last few years knows that that is very very possible on Bitcoin. All the people who are shorting it, thinking that we're going to not come into that order block, is not a member. They are definitely not trading alongside us. They are trading against us, and that's going to probably affect them in the long run. As you can see, the significance of these horizontal lines, sorry, vertical lines. These blue lines indicate pivots, right? Well, here is your last pivot, and this pivot basically said upside. Here's your next pivot, upside. So here's your next pivot that possibly upside will end, or you will see a downside. I mean, upside continuation will occur, or you will see a downside pivot. And that's all the way in April of a year, 2025. So I'm just letting you guys like logically see that these vertical fib times are not like a go-to to trade, but it's just some fun stuff like the moon cycles to keep in the background to keep an eye on for future. So that's what I was talking about on Bitcoin. Bull flagging out. I mean, if you get a buying opportunity, I would be probably scooping up any buying opportunity at 35.6 if given. And obviously the 32.5 if you get that. But I mean, DCA ladder in this 32.5 to, I don't want to get at that top for like around 35.3. I can DCA on that and then take my profit immediately at 38.8 and then see if we get the continuation breakout. If given the opportunity today. I don't think you're going to get it, but just heads up. Lastly, let me go over ETH. A lot of stuff going on ETH. We have officially claimed the value area high. As long as we hold above this 1930, I'm looking for continuation upside on a weekly basis. I'll just go ahead and hire that to about 2010. Around the psychological $2,000 level is where I am looking at forward. I'm looking at as support moving forward. Once this is claimed, I'm looking for us to get into the higher levels, such as 1862. And if we get to 1862, sorry, that's like a buying opportunity, long scalp for me, between the value area high, which is 1930 to 1862, is like an easy long scalp if given the opportunity. Right now, you can see that as Bitcoin was in the bullish control zone, we are getting a little bit of resistance already, and you have a bearish divergence right now. So hopefully Bitcoin drags ETH up into the higher levels. I am looking at 2275 as my next level of interest. Let me just zoom out of here. Sorry for the doodles. Let's turn off the RSI. I'm gonna delete this. We don't need all this now. Um, this is all retail bullshit. Delete, delete, delete. Okay, delete. You don't need all this. Volume profile. Okay. So this is how I want to look at it. As of right now, we have this resistance right here above 21.6. I really think that's going to be nothing. Here's the next level resistance around here at 25. Um, I have different numbers on my other chart, and I wonder if it's because this is like Bybit. But if I look at my chart right now, I have Bybit. I have 2050 as my fib support. And then from 2050, my next target is about 2100. So you can probably say that wick. Let me see what that wick is. At 2150. Okay. So yeah, 2150 is the next level after I get my claim of 2100. And then you can basically go and look for the next extension, which is around 2450. This is all weekly TA, so it's going to take time to play out. Give it like a week or two. But you can see the path to the upside is there. Volume, unfortunately, is dwindling. If you can look on the bottom over here, volume is actually looking a little bit bearish as we get to the top. But aside from that, RSI is telling you it's topping out as well. Aside from all that, the pathway to the upside is pretty decent. It's going to take some time to, uh, what do you call that? Mature, marinate as people start closing out their shorts and flipping long. Once they realize what's up, and if they don't, they will be food for the upside push. And yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions or concerns, leave in the comment section below. If there are other assets you want me to go over, just leave in the comment section below, and I'll get over it in the next one. Please, please, please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so you get the notification for the video when it comes. Feel free to share this with friends who are interested in trading. If you are interested in joining members for December is going to be the last month at $20 a month. We will be moving to $200 a month starting January. I just need to have more serious people around me so I am not lost in low time frame noise. So aside from that, guys, the $20 membership, I'm going to try to see if we can keep that tier and provide some good material. And then for the serious traders, I'm going to go on the 200 where we're going to be trading higher time frames and we're going to go over some concepts that will basically keep us on the winning side with risk management. There's going to be a lot of things that we're going to be going over for long time traders because as you trade a longer time frame, you have a lot more time to plan. Basically, you're going to be sitting in trades. And yeah, aside from that, guys, please, 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 if you're interested in the Discord membership, feel free to reach out. The link to the Discord server is in the description of this video below, alongside all other affiliate services that I use and recommend. So thank you so much. I hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.